Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start paying your Airbnb reservations with PayPal. How do you actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Airbnb? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to click on Airbnb, and then from here you want to click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Payments and Payouts underneath Settings, and then from here you want to click on Payment Methods. So from here you're going to see a list of your payment methods. Right now this is all blurred out, but just go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Add Payment Method. After you click on Add Payment Method, you'll be able to connect with PayPal, credit, or a debit card. Click on PayPal, and then it's going to prompt you to sign into PayPal, and afterwards you simply just follow the on-screen prompts and connect PayPal with Airbnb. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.